Hey guys, Phil here with BLP3 Motors. Today, the wheels and tires have officially come in, and we're going to install them on the car. I'm actually not going to install them. I'm going to take them over to a place called Fred's Tire and Battery here in Shawnee, Oklahoma, and they're going to install it for me. Hopefully, they'll let me actually walk around and do the whole thing. But anyway, I'm going to show you exactly what we got. We got a couple cool like lug nut things. They're like spikes. I know, judge me, they're spikes, but I thought they were pretty cool. But hey, before we get started, make sure to click the like button on the video and subscribe if you haven't, because I'd love to have you follow along on the journey. Right now, I want to show you what I got before we head over there. But yeah, I'm pretty excited. So, this little box right here, made in China. Okay, so, I have no idea what these are, but these are called quality wheel accessories, hub-centric rings. So I'm gonna assume that the hubcaps are gonna go, or the little emblem's gonna go here or whatnot, but I don't know. I'm gonna let the professional guys tell me what this is. But here is the lug nuts. These are freaking cool. And yes, these are spikes. Look at that, I'm twisting. Oh, come on now. Look at that in all her glory. But yes, they have spikes. And then, if that was not good enough, the little hubcaps have spikes. So I'll have a link in the description for this, a link in the description for this, and oh, the days of stock wheels will be gone. Speaking of wheels, let's see. I opened up one box because I wanted to check it out. Come on now. Look at it. So these are the Konig, I don't know how you say it, Oversteers. These are 18-inch rims by 8. And if you look down here, the hubcap is right there. Or the little emblem medilli. But yeah, I'm going to leave it how it is. And here, we went with the Lionheart. I believe it's 215 by 45 something. I'm not sure what all the numbers mean. Not yet. I'm still a noob. Tire noob. There are the rest of the rims. We're going on a journey, guys. Oh yeah, guys, real quick, in the description, I'm going to have a link for you guys to go and check out everything that I bought. And if you like it, get it. If you're watching this and you're in Shawnee, Oklahoma, or you're near Shawnee, if you're a subscriber of mine to see me driving around, try out Fred's Tire and Battery. They're really good guys. I've done like every oil change there. I do all my service there. They are great dudes. So make sure to check them out. They're just really good people. So like right now, my wife's officially told me to stop spending money on the car. Spent a lot of money recently. But you know what? Cars are money pits, guys. They take a lot of money, and I want to do a lot of fun things. There's also a really cool sponsorship that I'm kind of landing, but the way that it's going to work is I'm going to have to buy everything at full price, make a YouTube video, and then they will reimburse me once the video posts for a really good portion. And so when everything goes through, I will be announcing that, but really good company, really good people, and a really cool part. I'm not going to get into it, but I'm teasing it. Giving you guys a little tease. Today is it is Saturday. It is, let's see here, 7:48. So they open at 8 o'clock. So I'm getting here early. Sometimes there's cars parked and there's a line already at Fred's. So I want to get here early, and it looks like there are already a bunch of cars. Great. I'm gonna have to wait. I don't like waiting. But here's Fred's. Let's park the car. I have a strange request today. I'm hoping they do it. So here's the last look of Sora with the original wheels and tires. But I'm excited for the upgrade. So tell me about Fred's.
It's a good place to work,
Yeah.
man. And we get to work with unique individuals with unique customization styles. Man. I really enjoy it.
Awesome.
So, glad to have your business.
Yeah. I'm excited for you guys to put these on.
Absolutely. Yeah.
There she is, guys. Boom, in all her glory. I'll get a better shot though in the light. So here she is, guys. Man, I freaking love that. So the link's in the description for each and every part, guys. If you want this on your Civic or you want this on your car, let me know. The rims are 18 by 8, okay? And the tires are, I believe, 215 by 45 ZR 18 or something. I don't even know what that means, but hey, yep, there she is. Now we're gonna give her a bath. Stay tuned, and again, give this video a like, guys, and subscribe if you haven't, but I appreciate you, and we'll catch you later.